Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Hey everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Herunisa with student ID number 2410912220004. Group 12 Sambuana. I am from the Public Health Study Program, Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences, Mangkurat University. And in this video, I want to present my essay on the theme of ethics of respecting others with the title, The Importance of Ethics as a Social Creator. First, current condition. Currently, ethical and moral issues regarding adolescents are one of the topics that need to be addressed immediately. The reality in today's society is that there are many phenomena of low morality, especially among adolescents. It can be said that the morality of adolescents today is critical and needs to be improved immediately. Parents and education institutions are important tools to overcome the moral crisis of adolescence, like a ship without a captain in the middle of a vast ocean. This is manifest by the increasing moral crisis faced by adolescents, including brawls between students, brawl with parents and teachers, and bullying. The effect of globalization have also greatly affected the moral values of society. The result of this collision of globalization is the moral decline of the nation's young generation. The morality of the younger generation today is very concerning, especially behaviors that show indifference, such as lack of appreciation and respect for others. It cannot be denied that today increasingly advanced technology has a positive impact on life, but it also has a dark side, a negative impact that kills low moral, especially teenagers. Second, definition of social creator. Ethics comes from the Greek ethos, which means good customs or morals. Etymology. Ethics is a teaching about good and bad attitudes, actions, obligations, and so on. Ethics is closely related to values because basically ethics talk about problems related to the predicate of moral or immoral values and good or bad. Ethics has a meaning as ethical or moral values, and norms relate to the values that guide a person or group of people in regulating behavior. Ethical values are manifest in the form of ethical norms, moral norms, or norms of decency. In the Big Indonesian Dictionary, KBBI, ethics is the science of moral principles. Ethics can be divided into three main definitions, namely the science of what is good and moral obligations, a collection of principles or values relating to morals and values, regarding right and wrong adopted by a group or society. Ethics can help humans to take an attitude towards all norms from outside and from within, so that humans achieve moral awareness and in communication. Ethics also play an important role. This is support which states that good communication ethics will create good and harmonious relationship between people. Third, humans are social creatures. In this world, there is not a single human being who is the same, and there is not a single human being who is able to live alone. So, it is certain that every human being is always attached to an inseparable status, namely individual beings and social beings. Humans as social creature means humans as citizens of society. In everyday life, humans cannot live alone or fulfill their own needs. Even though he has a position and wealth, he always needs other humans. Human consciousness as a social being will give a sense of responsibility to protect individuals who are much weaker than the big and strong social fronts, so that they will help each other. Social life togetherness, whether it's in non-formal society or informal, forms institution state, with its authority, must protect individuals. Humans as a social beings can be interpreted that humans cannot fulfill their own needs and need the help of others. Humans have limited resources to meet their needs, so that humans depend on each other. Humans are social creatures who spend their lives interacting with other individuals. Humans as individuals are apparently unable to live alone. He in living his life will always be with and depend on other humans. Humans need each other and must socialize with other humans. This is because humans, in fulfilling their life needs, cannot fulfill them. Humans certainly do not live to make enemies. Everyone lives with the same goal, peace and brotherhood. Ethic is a set of rules that serve to regulate and teach a person how to behave. Ethic will guide people to behave politely and appropriately to everyone. Actually, ethics do not need to be taught specifically and separately. Ethic will be formed and learned by oneself within the family, school, recitation, and general community. However, it is certainly not a guarantee for a person to receive various positive lessons related to ethics. A person who lives and is raised in a bad environment will grow up to be a less ethical person. He or she will act freely as he or she wishes without regard to the feelings of others. He only thinks that what he does should be good for him, even if it's not good for others. The essence of all lessons on ethics is how we are able to respect others, not just thinking about ourselves. The issue of ethics is a sensitive one. Ethics will guide a person to live properly in a way that is justified by everyone. And this is a list of reference. Thank you for your time and attention in listening to this presentation. I hope the ideas shared here can serve as inspiration and reflection for all of us as we uphold the values of respecting others. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.